Hey, this is Texas Rider here, bringing you another video on my 1995 Sportster 883. Decided to bring it home from storage. It's been sitting there since 2009 when my daughter was born. I quit riding. 2017 I started riding again. That's when I picked up my dad's 2000 Dyna Wide Glide Custom. I was riding that for a year and a half and then decided to trade that in for my 2019 Street Glide. But I wanted to bring the Sportster home, take the carburetor off, work on it, show you a video on that. Take the tank off, make sure everything's good on that, and I'm gonna hopefully bring you along with the process and we'll go from there. Okay, this is the condition of the Sportster. Not too bad, just very dirty. It's been in storage for a while. A lot of chrome accessories to polish. Started working on the carburetor first. 2 bolts from the backside. Took it all the way out. Went ahead and took it to work. Cleaned it very good. I'll show you the end results on that. I'm going to change the oil, which I've already drained it. Right here, there's a plug on the back side. I'll show you that here. Decided to take the 2 hoses off the oil cooler. Very dirty, a little bit of rust spots on it, but everything's customized. It has the chameleon paint on it. The tank is different, full-size tank here. And here's the other plug for the oil. I had that drained into forward controls. Took the brake caliper off. I had to work on that a little bit. The handlebars are a little different. I have everything ran inside the handlebars where the controls are, and the windshield is a little different. And this can be a pretty interesting project, so hopefully you'll take the ride with me. This is it for Texas Rider. You guys have a blessed day, and see you in the next video.